1 ball and 1 strike. Procopio pops this one up to center field. Center field lost sight of it. It's going to drop for a base hit. Morocco comes around to score. And Lenoir-Rhyne will take a 2-1 lead. And he gets it down the left field line. Gets past the third baseman. Procopio on his way to second with a double. Between 1, 2, 3 in the fifth, and now here in the sixth. 2-2 pitch. Strikeout. Has speed on the base pads for LR. And a ground ball up the middle for a base hit. 1 run comes in score. Here comes Stillinger. He'll score. It's a 2-run single for Mackenzie Wainwright, and LR knots it up at 5 apiece. Georgia College. 2-1. Drew Beer with a 5-ball deep to right field. Might be deep enough to score Murchison. Catch is going to be made. The throw will go home, and it's not in time. And it goes into the dugout, and Wainwright will score as well. Moments ago, looking for another one right here. The 1-2 pitch. Swung on and miss. Keeps the runner stranded at third. Michael Burnley with bat.